O, diba? Meron kayong bouquet? Meron din po kayong cake. Ayan. At syempre, meron din kayong Ferrero. Meron din binigay na teddy bear. Rako-rako po niyo. Ayan, meron din fruit basket. Ayan. Mahal. Kita din yan. Yan. At syempre, meron din kayong balloon. Yan, mga girls. Dito lang po yan. Okay, kaya yan.
Showing me my emotions, letting me know what's real from what is not. What I got is more than I'd ever hoped for, and a lot of what I hope for is thanks to you. No mountain, no valley, no time, no space, no heartache, no heartbreak, no fall from grace can stop me from believing.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Ayan. Ayan, mother. Bago niyo po i-blow ang inyong candle, dapat po muna kayong mag-wish. So, wish, wish, wish! Blow! At syempre, merong inihandang letter. Si ate, alam niyo po ba kung sino?
Hindi ko alam.
Sekreto.
Pero
Ayan.
alaman ko na dyan.
Sino pa maaaring magbasa? Ryan! Ano na ate? Dito ka. Basahin mo ang letter ni ate para kay mother. Ikaw ang proxy na ate ko.
Happy 61st birthday, Manang. Wishes you good health and full of love and happiness. And may all your heart desires come true. We hope na napasaya ka namin sa munting sorpresa namin ni Brian sa'yo. And I want to take a chance to say whatever I said before that made you upset, and for the things I've done that made you angry with me. I'm sorry and please forgive me. I miss you, Manang. Enjoy and have blessed day to you. Take care always. I want to share this Bible verse to you. Number 6:24-26. The Lord bless and you keep you. The Lord make His face shine on you and be gracious to you. The Lord turn His face toward you and give you peace. Amen. Love, Maricel.
Ayan! At syempre, ano message mo sa inyong ate?
Happy birthday.
Happy
Good
birthday.
health.
Ang kanyang anak po. Halika kuya. Nag-iisang anak.
Wish you good health, tapos sana umaba po ang buhay. And amumat na inaayat ka. I love you.
Yan! Yay! At syempre, ma'am, ano po ang inyong message kay Ma'am Lizelle na all the way from Singapore, ang inyong kapatid?
Isel. Isel, salamat surprise gift mo, ading. Nag-ingat ka dita. Ayan mo. Mailiwak mo't kinya, magawid ka. Kita ta. Ingat ka dita ang laingan. Salamat, ading. Thank you. Kini Brian, nag-ingat kayo. Lagi.
Okay na po, madam? Masaya po ba?
Siyempre.
Siyempre. Sangit na nante. Ayan. Okay, magpapalikilala na ako, mother. Okay. In behalf of Edmonton's Flower Shop and Portraits, thank you, Ate Lizelle, for the second time around. Ayan. At syempre, naihatid natin ang sorpresa nice mo ipahatid sa inyong ate. Ayan, napasaya po natin siya, napaluha. Ayan, oo, Allah. Ayan, all the way from Singapore. Thank you din kay Brian na nag-guide sa amin. Thank you ulit, ading. Bye! Ingat!
Bye! Ingat! Bye! Bye! Salamat! Ingat!